Welcome to DigiZine's series of learning Linux and shell scripts using AWS. AWS or Amazon Web Services provides on-demand cloud computing platform and APIs to individuals and companies on a metered pay-as-you-go basis. One of the services is EC2, stands for Elastic Compute Cloud, which allows users to have a virtual cluster of computers at their disposal. I have chosen AWS platform for this series as installing Linux in individual systems might be cumbersome. So let's get started. First of all, let us go and check in aws.amazon.com and check the pricing. So go and select the tab pricing. Here you have AWS free tier. So just scroll down and you will find that they offer some services like Amazon EC2, which is free tier 750 hours per month, where you can use Linux and you can use T3.micro instance freely for 1 year. So in Google, just enter AWS account and here Amazon services. You can create a free account here. So select this tab, create a free account, and here we need to enter email address, password, confirm password and AWS account name. You can choose whatever name you want. So let us enter the details. There are some norms for password, just read them and enter accordingly. So confirm password, then AWS account name, select continue, click on continue. Here in this page it asks you to select the account type, select personal if you are using it for your individual learning, then enter the full name, phone number, country, postal address, complete address you have to give here, then city, state, then postal code and check this box. So confirm. This takes you to the payment information page where you need to enter your credit card or debit card number with the validity of your card holder's number, select the contact address or the billing address and some other options also. Then here, how do you want the verification code? You can select text message or SMS, then country code, self phone number, then security captcha code. So after you do this, you get a verification code on your mobile number. So you have to enter the 4-digit verification code here. So enter that, then click on verify code. Though we are going for free tier plan, initially 2 rupees as of now will be deducted. So don't worry about it much because you are going to use the basic plan which is free for 1 year. And here it asks you to select the basic plan again. So select the free basic plan. Then it asks you to enter your personal information like your role and your interest. So select and now you can sign into your console. So select, you can enter your email ID and password now. It takes you to the management console. Now go and select the services. Select EC2, Now your sign up is almost complete, but it requires few hours for activation. So you have to wait till you get a confirmation mail from the team. You get a confirmation, you can go and sign in by entering the email address. Enter the password. So here you go, and here you select the services, select EC2, or you can type in the search box also. So when you select EC2, now here you get lot of options. Just come down and you have an option to launch instance. So select launch instance. So here you get some options to select. The first option is an ideal one which we are looking for. It is a free tier eligible for 1 year. So select 64-bit. So select the first option here. Okay, so here you see one more option which is already selected. This is T2.micro free tier eligible instance. So you can retain this. Just scroll down and you can launch the instance. Here you need to choose an existing key pair, or you can create a new key pair. A key pair is a set of security credentials that you use to prove your identity when connecting to an instance. So download key pair, I am calling it as key pair 1. So once it is downloaded, you can store it in any convenient location in your system. Now go and launch the instance. So it is initializing, and here you get to see your instances are now launching. Now you have this instance type, instance state is pending, and here you have name which you can change it. You can give whatever name you want, and it takes couple of minutes to start running. Now the instance is running. So the next step is we need to check if we have downloaded the emulator to connect to the Linux system PuTTY. So if not, we have to download it. So just get into this Google bar and type PuTTY download for Linux. So select putty.org. So here you can download PuTTY. So select this option. Just scroll down and install PuTTY for Windows. So select this. In addition to PuTTY, we need to have PuTTyGen also. What is PuTTyGen? PuTTyGen is used to generate a private key to connect to the instance. So select puttygen.exe. So download it into your system. Then once you are done, you can execute this. So puttygen.exe, execute this, and here you need to load the key pair which we have downloaded already. So select load, select the file, the key pair which we had downloaded earlier. So select it and confirm. Here you get a success message. saying it is already saved in its format, and here you enter the passphrase, confirm the passphrase. So, this is the passphrase which you are going to enter while running the instance, while connecting to Linux. So, save this private key somewhere in your file system. I am calling this as key underscore private. So, now you can close this window, and now let us launch Putty app. And here let us create a session, and I am saving this session. I am calling it as S2. The host name or the IP address, you will get it here. For this instance, this is the IP or the host name. So, select it and copy it here. You can save this session if you want, and here go to SSH auth, and here browse through the private key which we generated earlier. That's it. So, go back to session, select the session and open, and here the login ID would be EC2-user, and the passphrase which we have set just now in SSH, that passphrase you have to enter. So, when you enter that, you get into your home directory. So, this is how you connect to your AWS server. Now, if you want to change the settings, select on the Putty terminal, go to change settings, and here go to appearance, and you can change the font, you can change the size, which I am doing now. You can select the font, select OK. So, you get it in whatever font you want. So, just to test whether this is working, I am creating a directory by typing mkdir training. So, cd training will get into that particular folder. Okay. So, let us learn few other commands and in coming sessions, and here get back to our console, and here you can edit the name if you want. And go to actions, instant state, and you can stop the instance. So, it is always better to stop the instance if you are not using it for a long time. So, the instance is stopped. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. We will get into Linux basics and other programs in further topics.